In this video, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to fix your errors right here in Google Sheets. Now, when I say fix errors, it's more on hiding the errors from your spreadsheet. So if you have some errors that you don't really want to see on your spreadsheet and you maybe just want to hide them or replace them with something else, here's how you can use AI to hide those errors. So when I say AI, this usually means ChatGPT. So I've used ChatGPT with a lot of previous videos already, and if you haven't checked those out, I have a full playlist that I'll be leaving a card to at the top right corner so you can check it out later. So going back to this example, we can definitely use ChatGPT to hide the errors in our spreadsheet, and that's with a custom menu. What ChatGPT does is to create that script that we're going to insert in our app script on this spreadsheet. Then it will automate the function that we want created, which will add a custom menu right here at the top, right next to our help, that if we click on it, it will hide our errors right here. We have about 5 different errors. We can replace this with a text, a blank, or a number. It's totally up to you. So let's go ahead and start with our ChatGPT. I have mine right here, and I've already actually created my prompt, which is to ask this AI to generate me a script for app script in Google Sheets that will again replace the errors in my spreadsheet with a blank using a custom menu called replace error with blanks. There we have it. So it's quite specific, and if you want to add more details, let's say replace errors with a 0 instead of a blank, you can definitely do that. So here, once you press enter, it will already give you the answers. You have your script, then the instructions on how you can use this on Google Sheets. So first, in Google Sheets, you're going to open your extensions, your app script, delete any existing code. I've already repeated this so many times because we've used app scripts so many times already. And once you do that, you're just going to save, run, where you will grant permissions for this to work. And when you go back to your spreadsheet, you will see that menu with this name right here. So first of all, we have the script right here. It's already generated. So I'm just going to copy it and follow the instructions that was given right here. So go back to Google Sheets, go to extensions and select app script. This will open in a new tab where we will paste in our script. So make sure to delete everything. I've already done that. Paste. There we go. Click on save right here. Save project to drive. Now that's saved, we're going to run the selected function. Now I've already done this. I've already allowed the permissions. So in the execution log, it will say execution started. And after you've allowed those permissions, it will say execution completed. Now let's go back to Google Sheets or to our spreadsheet. And here we have a new tab in the menu bar that will say replace errors with blanks. If we click on that, it will have this option, fix all errors. Now, if I click this, I should be able to see blanks instead of errors in my spreadsheet right here. So click on that. It's running our script. It will say replace 5 errors with blanks. Click on OK, and there we have it. So instead of errors, we now have blanks in those cells that were errors before. And there you have it. So again, you can go back to ChatGPT and ask for other replacements for your errors. Let's say we will replace the blanks with the word invalid. So it's going to come up with your request of replacing those errors with the word invalid instead of a blank. So what we're going to do again is to just copy the code, go back to our spreadsheet or to that app script. We are going to select everything, delete, and paste the new code or script. Click on save, and we're going to run the selected function again. We have it started and completed. So now if we go back to our spreadsheet, we have that new name for our custom menu, which is replace errors with invalid. If we click on it this time and select fix all errors, it has replaced 5 errors with the word invalid. Click on OK, and there we have it. So instead of blanks, now we have the word invalid replacing those errors in our spreadsheet. So that's how you can use ChatGPT to fix or hide your errors right here in Google Sheets. Now, if you want more help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you can check out later. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.